And we're back in Irvine, California. We have a late flight tonight, so we're just having a chill day. Daddy and I got our hotel coffees, and we're gonna go check out the adventure playground.
But I ain't an adventure.
I know, I'm very
Only
excited.
my mommy and daddy know what about it.
Yeah, mommy found it.
She found it.
And we're gonna go check it out. So let's go.
I gotta know, when can we do this again?
Alright, so when you come in, you sign in over here. And then look at all this amazing space. They have activities and things over here. It's really such a cool little community park that they built. And I think today is free art day. So we'll see what they have going on. But Wally's already found the giant Lego yard. How'd you get all the way up there, Wally? How did you get up there? How are you getting out?
Hand me your phone and I'll show you around.
Okay.
Okay, this is my real funny out. I'm really dirty. But I have no way out. No way out. No way out. What? Yeah. You want your phone back?
Ooh, Wally. Look at your castle. That's so cool. All right, it's time to go, Wally. You gonna bust your way out of there? Are you Hulk? I thought you were Spider-Man. Now you're the Hulk? This playground is so fun. Wally's exploring the climber over here. Awesome slide. Look at all this cool stuff.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, it's Spider-Man. You climbed all the way over there? Is that a fun slide, buddy? All right, Wally, what did you think of Adventure Playground?
Shoulder.
That was really fun, huh?
There's a lot of kids there.
There was a lot of kids. It was super fun. All the Legos and really cool climbing area.
And we built a castle with everybody had to put wood in front of the door.
And locked you in there?
Yeah.
They locked you in the castle?
But I just put that in.
You did. You hulked right at it, didn't you?
I took them.
All right, let's go get some lunch and maybe go to the beach. All right, well now we made our way over to Newport Beach. We're gonna go have a late lunch and enjoy some beach time. We found an awesome restaurant here. Ooh, called the Lighthouse. It was like right here in Marina Park. All right, well, we opted to eat inside because it's a little cool and breezy. Plus, it's so beautiful in here. We got our drinks. Mark went with the bottomless mimosa, $17.
Never mind what's hiding behind it.
That's a lot of mimosa. And I am trying the sunset margarita, which is topped with a floater of red wine. Really excited about that. We both got steak. Mark got steak and eggs. I got the steak chilaquiles. And Wally's getting some chicken tenders, and he's working on his word search over here. Oh my goodness, is it hard? It's a challenging one. All right, well, we have a beautiful view. Look at that. It's such a beautiful day. That's a very cozy spot for lunch, so this is perfect. And then we're gonna go enjoy a little bit of beach time before we have to head to the airport. So this is like the perfect, relaxing California day before we head home. All right, well, my chilaquiles came. Oh boy, that looks so good. Wally got his chicken tenders. Those look like some really good chicken tenders.
And I'm highlighting my.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
look.
cool. And there's Daddy's steak and eggs. This is perfect. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
All right, well now it's beach time. Just right across the street from where we ate is the ocean. Wally's very excited to look for some seashells. Wow.
Can I take my
Could it be a more gorgeous day?
You take my
What are you trying to tell me to do, hon?
It's so cool. Go put your toes in it.
So cold. Oh God, that's cold. Come on, now you can. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold.
All right, well, that was a pretty perfect beach day, beach afternoon, just taking a little bit of the sun and sand and waves in. But now it's time to get headed towards the airport. We are gonna stop and get some ice cream. That's kind of my thing. Gotta go to the beach and get ice cream. It's like perpetuating the sand. All right, well, we found this little cute ice cream and cookie shop right here, just down the road from the beach. So we're gonna go get some milk and cookies. All right, well, I had to get some salted caramel and lavender. Very excited. Wally got the cookie dough, or the cookie monster. So it's like blue cookie dough and cookies and cream. Very excited. Gotta have ice cream when you go to the beach. All right, well, we made it to John Wayne Airport. We're all through security. We have about an hour before our flight, so we're gonna have a little snack. And it wouldn't be California unless you had a wine flight and a charcuterie board. So it's one of our favorite spots at SNA, Vino Volo. Got a yummy little charcuterie board here. And we did a passport to Paso wine flight. So it looks really yummy. And the perfect way to end our California trip.